Rasha, and I've got a new letter sound for you today, and it looks like this. This is Can you say that? The action for this letter sound is you're going to pretend to be angry. You're going to go Can you do that? Let's listen to the song for the letter sound
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
Over here, I've got some words and objects that start with the letter sound Let's have a look what's inside. For my favorite, rainbow. An for a beautiful red rose. For rat. For robot. For radio. And for my beautiful ring. Now I'm going to leave you to listen to the song again to practice your action and your letter sound, and think of more words that start with the letter sound